Hello, my name is Leah. Today I have the pleasure of introducing you to a concept that many people are unfamiliar with. That is the business of public adjusting. As you will soon see, Metro Public Adjustment offers an incredibly valuable service for both home and business owners. I'm excited to share this information with you, so let's get started. What you see here is our headquarters in Bensalem, Pennsylvania. The entire building is dedicated to the claims adjusting process. We are one of the largest public adjusting firms in the United States. Metro is a veteran-owned company founded in 1993. In addition, we are founding members of the American Association of Public Insurance Adjusters. Here's the question most homeowners don't answer correctly, and more importantly, they wait until they have a claim to even think about this. If you had an insurance claim, would you know what to do? This is where Metro becomes valuable to homeowners. It's easy for insurance companies to collect premiums, but when you have a claim, it can be grueling to get paid. Insurance companies work hard to keep their money in the bank. They have adjusters looking out for their interests. That is their profit model. With that said, who is looking out for you and your interests? We found, statistically, most insurance claims are underpaid. People need an advocate, someone who is going to stand up for them. Again, this is where we become valuable to home and business owners. Through professional representation, we make sure the insurance companies treat them fairly and, more importantly, pay them fairly. To better understand what we do, I will go through an example of a typical loss. During a storm, the homeowner noticed a leak in their bedroom and dining room below and later noticed some missing shingles from the roof. The homeowner cleaned and dried the water themselves. This is a very common occurrence. So, what does the homeowner do? They call their insurance company, and they have an insurance adjuster visit their home. I want to quickly remind you that the adjuster sent by the insurance company works for the insurance company. Therefore, the company adjuster is looking to protect the interest of the insurance company. This is how the insurance company can view a claim. On the exterior, the insurance company allows for a minimum roof repair for some missing shingles. In the bedroom, they allow for a drywall repair and to spot seal and paint the ceiling one coat. They agree to tape and protect the fan and clean and deodorize the carpet. In the dining room below, they offer an appearance allowance for slight cupping of the wood floor. They also agree to spot seal and paint the walls and ceiling one coat. The adjuster cuts a check on the spot and gives it to the homeowner. Most homeowners would think this is a fair offer from the insurance company. Unfortunately, many people close their claim not realizing they could have an advocate in their corner. Let's look at how a Metro field adjuster would advocate on your behalf. As you can see, the Metro adjuster identifies 23 items starting with the roof. After proper roof evaluation, it is determined that full replacement of the roof is required. We then discover that the insulation was wet, requiring replacement. Moving on to item 5, we would require the ceiling to be painted with 2 coats, not 1. Then we would recommend replacement of the carpet due to delamination. Of course, part of the estimate should include the manipulation of the heavy bedroom furniture. As you can see, there are many items overlooked. To further illustrate our example, offering an appearance allowance unacceptable. These are hardwood floors, rather a repair, and then they require sanding, staining, and finishing the hardwood floors in the dining room, and where the floors continue in the living room, foyer, and kitchen. We will also require replacing the shoe molding and paint the affected trim. To complete this job, we will require removing and resetting the drapes, the piano, and various other contents. In addition to normal debris removal, a dumpster will be required for the roof shingles. A job of this magnitude would be a burden on the homeowner, so the cost of living outside the home during this repair would be added to item 23. Several years ago, Smart Money magazine interviewed an insurance claim adjuster who revealed that 80% of settlements are expected without seeking an independent opinion. Those 80% only get 25 to 40 cents on the dollar. That's a big win for the insurance companies, but a massive loss for the homeowners. How effective are we? I encourage you to look this up yourself. After a major hurricane, there was a third-party report on public adjusters called Office of Program Policy Analysis and Government Accountability, also known as the OPAGA report. Some very interesting findings surfaced. Homeowners that didn't use public adjusters averaged $1,391, while homeowners that did use public adjusters averaged $9,379, a difference of 574% more. That's nearly a mind-blowing 600% more because of a public adjuster. The OPAGA report analyzed public adjusters in general, but we wanted to take it a step further. And so we did our own in-house study with actual claims and actual clients. We call this claim settlements with Metro's involvement. The first column is our actual clients' names. The second column details the cause of the loss. The third column is the insurance company. Take a quick glance and see if you recognize any names. The next column is the insurance payout. Notice how many claims were denied. That means they didn't receive anything. The next column shows what Metro was able to recover upon reopening the claim. I won't go over each line, but just notice the first line on the top. Client was a Pentecostal church who experienced wind damage and was initially denied. Once we reopened the claim, we got them $187,338.91. That's a staggering amount, and that's the type of value Metro offers their clients. Then there was Mr. Gibbs with hail damage. Metro recovered 450% more for Mr. Gibbs. Then Mr. Shang was only offered $370, and Metro recovered over $11,000. And finally, the Yonans were offered $4,900 and Metro recovered $22,000. Metro has served over 1 million clients and has a 99.7% claim satisfaction rating. We are here to represent your home and your business. Here are some common losses we inspect. Everyone knows fire is a common loss. But did you know that smoke from your home or even a neighbor's home can be a significant claim for you? And of course, lightning and explosions are as well. Keep in mind that although these are common losses, many homeowners don't realize that these can be significant claims. Ice damming, weight of ice and snow, collapse, and even a car running into your home. Each one of these situations can be a claim worth tens of thousands of dollars. Windstorm is a big one. From today on, you will notice how many homes have missing shingles and damaged siding. Again, these can be significant claims, yet many homeowners neglect to place a claim. And those that do rarely get the full extent of the repair paid to them. Are you starting to see the pattern here? Can you see the value our company provides? Many homeowners overlook roof leaks, water through skylights, and even water that enters around a window. Hail, tornadoes, and hurricanes. Let me touch on hail really quickly. Even if your roof was just installed, a hailstorm can create significant damage to your roof and siding. If this damage is not addressed in a timely fashion, the homeowner risks not only increasing the damage, but also the risk of getting denied when the situation worsens. Another very common occurrence that homeowners experience is all sorts of water damage. Toilet, sink, and tub overflows. Dishwasher, ice maker, and washing machine are incidents that happen on a daily basis. Many homeowners believe that these situations are minor, when in fact, if not corrected, can lead to other damages. Water heaters, sewage backup, plumbing leaks, and frozen pipes. You may have experienced some of these losses. However, would you know what to do? We handle thousands of these types of losses every year, and we know exactly what it takes to adjust these claims correctly and help homeowners prevent denials and maximize their claim. Theft and vandalism are very common claims that are rarely addressed properly. Did you know eggs on siding can permanently stain siding from their high protein content? Losses like these can be a huge financial drain on homeowners, when in fact, these should be covered by insurance companies. Here is a very common claim many policyholders overlook: floor damage. If you accidentally drop a glass and scratch your floor, it would be covered. Has this ever happened to you? Well, you are grilling some burgers. You don't realize that the grill is too close to the siding until it's too late, and your siding starts to melt from the intense heat. This is an example of another big claim most homeowners rarely report. Instead, they either live with the damages or pay out of pocket for their repairs. Here's something we are extremely excited about. Metro is the best line of defense before you even have a claim. We call it the Smart Claim Membership. At no cost to you, we have 24-hour claim services, unlimited communication, monthly smart claim tips, blogs, free policy review and property inspections, and an annual policy risk analysis. All this is designed to prevent you from having future claim denials. This is a first in our industry. In fact, we are the only public adjusting company that offers this service. I hope you would agree that the information provided today was valuable to help you better protect one of the most valuable assets in your life, your home. The next step is easy. We will now schedule you for your free policy coverage review and sign you up for the free Smart Claim membership. Some of you may also like helping people and have an interest in our career opportunity. For additional information, speak to the Metro representative here today. It has been our sincere pleasure to share this information. Thank you.